Hi Hutch, how are you?
Hi Sudha. Good. I'm with Connectbeam, and we're here at the UGCX conference, and I'm going to give you a demo of what our software does very quickly.
Yes.
Our software is for the enterprise, and we aggregate the user-generated content of employees, and we use that to actually create rich profiles of users to make information much more findable and put things in the flow of how people are doing the work. So with that, let's show you how we're doing that.
So is this employee information out from the web or inside the enterprise?
Inside the enterprise.
Okay, cool.
So I'm going to show you, actually, I'm not going to start with our application. I'm going to start with Atlassian Confluence Wiki.
Okay.
And so we're going to create a wiki page here. What's the name of your website?
COOLA. Kula Story.
Story?
Yeah.
Kula Story. There we go. And we are going to give it a, we'll say video blog. How about that?
Yep.
And actually, I think those are good tags, actually. So we're going to call it video blog. How about that?
Okay.
We're going to save this. So now this is the kind of thing employees are going to do inside the corporations. They're going to save to the wiki.
Okay.
We've just saved it right there. Cool story. You see it right there?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
I'm now going to do a quick search, what a lot of employees and all of us do. I'm going to go to Google and do a search. And so far, again, I'm not showing you anything on the Connectbeam application so far, but I do want to show you how this is going to work. So we're going to do video. I'm going to run a search on video. I'll get my usual search results over here, but I want you to notice over here. This is the side panel of results from Connectbeam. We actually enable this because of the toolbar, which we have right there.
Yep.
So what you see here are tags are related to any search on video,
Yep.
what users have actually been working on that topic, and any activity or entries that are related to video. And as you see here, it's a real-time. It's a real-time web here. We've actually got Cool Story right there as one of the activities. I'm going to take you next over to Microsoft Outlook, where I'm going to look at Linda Nix. My persona was Linda Nix. I'm going to look at her email account here. And we actually embed the social profile in Outlook. And as you see here, we have contact information from an LDAP and Active Directory integration.
Yep.
We've got self-identified areas of expertise as well as projects. And then we do a real-time update on the tags and activity that a user does. And sure enough, blog and video is right there, and there's Cool Story again. So I've just shown you when you're going to search on Google that you're there. Now on Outlook. Now I'm going to take you to what will be possibly the slowest part of the demo, but I'm going to go ahead and push forward here. This is SharePoint. So this is going to show you SharePoint. Again, my persona, Linda Nix.
So this is for people who use SharePoint inside.
Yep.
And
we've got an integration via web parts into SharePoint.
Okay.
And so content created elsewhere that comes into the Connectbeam is actually shared now on SharePoint. And you see right there, again.
Yep.
So in the real time, an employee created something on the wiki.
Yeah.
It is now distributed throughout the organization and visible all over the place. And now, finally, I want to take it back to...
And is it any wiki or your own wiki?
We actually have, we have a native connector for Atlassian Confluence, and then we have APIs for working with any other type of wikis.
Okay, so if I have like social text as the wiki of my enterprise or PB wiki,
yep.
So then you'll work with any of them.
You got it.
Cool.
And let me show you here. This is Linda Nix.
Is it just textual content with the tags? You seem to have pulled everything by the tag. Is there more to it, or?
We actually use the metadata. So it's going to be the name of the item. So the title, wiki entry. It'll be we actually will do a little bit of the content of it. We'll do the tags. We'll do the tags that are associated. We'll do the URL with it. We'll do the user and the timestamp. So that's the kind of metadata we're pulling in.
Yeah.
And sure enough, I'm getting a little update on my email there, but I want to show you this. If you look at the profile, this is the full story on the profile on our application. Stop for a second. We actually just took you through Atlassian Confluence, Google Search, Microsoft Outlook, and Microsoft SharePoint, all showing how the value of this information created. Didn't even have to go to the Connectbeam application to make this work. We're big on in the flow. That being said, here's the Connectbeam application. This is the social profile. To the left, standard LDAP Active Directory integration, so we're always in sync.
Yeah.
Top part of the social information, self-identified areas of expertise, interest, projects, as well as about me section. Some of the best practices you're going to find from social networks. Down below, this is dynamically updated activity, just in the flow as the user does her job for the day. Finally, over here, Tag Cloud. This Tag Cloud is actually interesting. It also updates in real time with the tags. We can get a quick look. What you see here is recent tags. The idea here is your recent activity. You can get a quick look with the tags, or if you want to see what someone knows from longer ago, Or if you want to use it for a personal navigation tool, you can do the same thing. And you'll get a fuller view of what someone has worked on. So you don't lose that expertise from 6, 9, 12 months ago in the process.
So, but all the information entered is entered inside Connectbeam through your plugins of sort.
Yes. It is actually aggregated into Connectbeam through the plugins.
Very cool. Good. Thank you.
You're welcome.